Accurate speaking for a 2 to 3 minute video script is generally between 300 to 450 words. The following script is about 380 words and includes the necessary steps and contact information for disputing a charge on a region's account. Have you ever looked at your bank statement and thought, wait a minute, what is that charge? We've all been there. Finding an unauthorized, incorrect, or suspicious transaction on your account can be stressful. But when you bank with regions, disputing that charge is a clear, manageable process. You don't have to panic. This video is going to walk you through the 3 main ways to quickly file a dispute on your region's account so you can get things sorted out fast. The most important rule in a dispute is speed. You want to report any suspicious activity as soon as you spot it. So, how do you actually file that claim? Regions gives you a few convenient options. Option number 1, the digital route. If you're already using Regions online banking or the mobile app, this is often the fastest way to start. Simply log into your account. In the online banking platform, look for the Customer Service tab, then select Services and find the option to dispute card transaction. If you're on the mobile app, tap on your account, select the More option, and then Manage Cards to find the dispute function. The system will guide you through providing the details of the transaction. Just be aware that there may be limits on the number or type of transactions you can dispute online. Option number 2, the direct call. Sometimes you just need to talk to a person, especially with an urgent fraud concern. Regions provide specific numbers to handle card disputes quickly. If the issue is with your debit card, call 1-800-295-8472. If it's your credit card, call 1-800-253-2265. Calling is crucial for promptly reporting a lost or stolen card or any significant, unauthorized use. They can immediately cancel your card and get a replacement sent out. Option number 3, the branch visit. If you prefer face-to-face assistance or if your dispute is complex, you can always visit your local region's branch. A banker can personally walk you through the claims process and help you fill out any necessary paperwork. No matter which option you choose, be prepared to provide details about the transaction, including the date, the amount, and why you are disputing it. Once you file the claim, Regions will investigate the charge. For certain transactions, they may even issue you a provisional credit while the investigation is underway, giving you access to those funds in the meantime. You can typically check the status of your claim right through online banking as well. Dealing with a charge you didn't authorize is never fun, but knowing the exact steps to take on your region's account can save you time and stress. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.